a few hours after my surgery and I'm bored and I want to do something. Since I'm doing the head gaskets on my truck, I'm actually going to change out the light switch. Well, it's changed out, but I'm going to show you how to take everything off. As I know a lot of people have been breaking the tabs on the back of the light switch. So once we get this out, I'll show you how to pop it out. First, put your key in. Drop the gear shift all the way down. Lower the steering wheel. Pry on this. Pop it off. Pull up. Throw that back in gear so it don't roll away. Alright. And there's a little, let me see. There's a clip right there. I don't know why my camera isn't focusing. There it goes. There it goes. It heard me say it. So I use it like a poker thing. It would have been out if I didn't have to hold the camera. It would have been out. And there you go. It's out now. Set this down. There's some tabs right there. Everybody thinks that you gotta pry on them with a screwdriver and then they break. What you do, pull it to the left. Boom. You gotta push, pull to the left, and then slide it to the right, and it comes out. And you put it in the same way. Slide them in. Push on it a tad bit. And it's in there. Drop the gear shift back down. If you guys are wondering what that blue wire is for over there in my fuse box, it's because I wanted to test my four-wheel drive and it does work. So I got a short or grounding out somewhere. I think I need a new four-wheel drive harness. So next thing you do, get your plug. Can I reach? Plug it back in. There. Hear it snap, then you know it's in. Now you want to work this thing back in. Toughest part is just sliding this under, push down, don't be scared. Just don't Hulk smash it. It's in right there. And that one back up. Should have showed you guys how to do the heater climate controls too, because everybody breaks those tabs. If you want, you can request a video from me for that and I'll show you how to do it without breaking them. Give it a little push all the way around. You know what? I forgot to pull your cup holder out first. That might make it a little easier. I don't like when it feels loose. Put that back there. Mine pops out. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Doing the head gaskets, intake gasket, manifold gasket, valve seal, valve stem seals, water pump gasket, time and chain case gasket, or time and chain cover, sorry. doing everything. Should be perfect, besides me having to rig my four-wheel drive for now. 95 Z71. Let's see, 355,000 miles. From Tennessee. But this is what happens when you get someone that don't change gaskets. Now I gotta deal with it. They may have done their oil changes, but they never did their gaskets. I was just gonna do the manifold, and I said, hell with it. I'm halfway there, let's do the head gasket. But yeah, I think it's Victor Rains or something like that. Yeah, I believe I'm saying it right. Got it for 25 bucks. All that stuff with it. There's show you guys what it looks like, because I know it's a common problem. You get all this choke heater, cylinder head gasket, distributor mounting, exhaust manifold. Yep. Oh, I'm not sure if it comes with all these. Comes with most. Alright, well, if you guys have any questions, let me know and I'll be glad to help. I'm off work for a week, so I got a lot of free time. Alright.